At the top of the hour, we're tracking tragic news from Gujarat for you. At least 27 people, including children, were killed in a massive fire that broke out at a gaming zone in Gujarat's Rajkot city. The blaze erupted at a temporary structure at the TRP game zone, and the victims were present at the spot in large numbers due to the ongoing summer vacations. The state government has constituted a probe team to ascertain whether the game zone had necessary licenses from the authorities as well. After the incident, the Gujarat DGP had directed the police to launch an inspection of all play zones across the state and shut down those which don't have an NOC from the fire department. Two people, including the owner and the manager of the TRP game zone in Rajkot, were interrogated as well. Now, Prime Minister Modi had put out a post on this where he's in fact said that he condoles the death. He's also said he did have a conversation with the Chief Minister and he understood the efforts that were undergoing for rescue operations. My colleague Paras joins us with more details. Paras, take us through the latest that we're learning from the fire incident in Gujarat. As of now, we've learned that 27 people have died. Do we know how many people have been injured and admitted in the hospital?
Right, so this is a very unfortunate incident which has happened in Gujarat's Rajkot. A total of 27 people has been declared dead and several people are injured. There has been a ICU which has been formed at the King's Hospital in Rajkot. There are 30 to 40 beds which has been put on for the help of this victims of the injured persons which are there at the Rajkot. This incident when it took place, there are possibly more people who are stuck inside this whole fire. Still, fire has been extinguished, but still the rescue operation are still on. There are NDRF team, there are fire brigade teams, police teams are there. A special SIT has been formed to investigate upon this whole matter. There are a major point which has came into light that following this fire, there was no fire NOC of this very game zone, so they were not having the fire NOC. So SIT is investigating into this entire matter, and this will be very important to see how these things will go on. The investigation will be done by SIT.
Right, Paras, thank you for bringing us those details on this particular story. These, of course, are the latest developments when it comes to Gujarat fire. Listen in to what the officials had to say.
गुजरात के मुख्यमंत्री श्री भूपेंद्र भाई पटेल जी के निर्देश से मैं अभी राजकोट जा रहा हूँ। राजकोट में आज रात को ही जो SIT बनाई गई है वो SIT की जांच शुरू की जाएगी और साथ ही में जो ये संचालक है उनको भी अरेस्ट किया गया है, मैनेजर को अरेस्ट किया गया है और घटनास्थल पे पूरा जायजा लेके रात को ही इसकी पूरी बैठक होगी और इंक्वायरी आज रात से ही चालू की जाएगी।
The gaming zone is owned by a person called Yuvraj Singh Solanki. We will be registering an offence for negligence and the deaths which have occurred. The further investigation will take once we complete the rescue operations here.
आज राजकोट में बहुत दुखद घटना घटी हुई है। राजकोट के इतिहास में ऐसा पहली बार हुआ है कि ये गेम जोन में आज आग लगने की वजह से आज बहुत गंभीर लोगों की बच्चों की जान गंवाई है और अभी फायर ब्रिगेड की टीम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को रेस्क्यू कर सके और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को बचा सके, इस तरह की कार्यवाही चल रही है। जिस लोगों ने ये घटना घटे उसमें जो भी उन्होंने बेदरकारी दिखाई है उसके सामने सरकार जरूर योग्य निर्णय लेके उसके सामने जरूर से कार्यवाही करेंगी।
ये बहुत कमनसीब और बहुत दुखद घटना हुई है। उसकी पूरी इंक्वायरी के लिए एक सीट जो बनाई है उसमें हमारे साथ डायरेक्टर FSL संघवी साहब, मैं, फायर के कुछ ऑफिसर्स, उन सबकी एक सीट है जो अभी शुरू से काम करेगी। किस डिपार्टमेंट में क्या क्या किया गया है उसकी पूरी तहकीकात होगी।